Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Now today we're going to be talking about coins versus bars. Now if you're new to precious metals and you want to invest but you're not sure whether to buy a coin or a bar, look no further because in this simple video I'm going to be explaining the pros and cons for you. So let me start off by saying there's no right or wrong answer. If you're already looking into precious metals, you're one step ahead of everyone else and you're in the right direction. Now first things first, bars and coins, they first of all have four things in common. That is, they always have the weight printed on them. Here that says 1 ounce and here this says 5 grams. They always say the purity. Here's 999 and here on this gold bar 999. They tell you what it is, silver, and here it says fine gold. And they also have the producer of the mint, of the precious metal on the packaging or the bar or coin itself. So coins or bars, which should you get? It's a tough one. Let me first off say coins are capital gains tax exempt. So what that means is when you buy coins, you pay a higher VAT on your purchase. But when it comes to selling it, you have no tax on that item. And this is probably the most popular reason why coins are probably slightly more popular than bars, because when it comes to resale, people don't want to pay tax. They want to just buy it and make the profit when they sell it. So yes, it's important to know that when you buy coins, initially you pay VAT on them, but when you sell them, you don't pay any VAT. Whereas bars, when you buy bars, you don't pay any VAT when you purchase it, but you do have to pay capital gains tax when you sell it. So it swings and roundabouts. On coins, initially you pay more, but when you come to sell it, you pay. It doesn't cost you. But when you buy bars, you pay less, but you do pay that back when you sell it. So be aware that if you're purchasing coins, you don't have to pay capital gains tax when you sell it, but when you buy bars, you do have to incorporate that into your selling cost. Now, also to mention, gold has lower premiums than silver. So what that means is there's a spot price that the companies initially have the market value of this bar at, but they obviously have to make a profit. So they put their premiums on top. That works for coins and bars. But gold normally has lower premiums than silver. So if you're looking at buying gold, you're going to pay less premiums than if you're buying silver. But obviously gold's a lot more expensive. Not everyone has that sort of cash liquid available to purchase. So, it swings and roundabouts. Also, bars have lower premiums than coins. So when you're purchasing your bar, you will pay less premiums than when you're buying a coin. That's just something to bear in mind. Again, it swings and roundabouts. On this coin, when you sell it, you won't have any capital gains tax, but when you sell this 1 gram gold bar, you will have capital gains tax. So although on coins initially you pay slightly more on your initial purchase, when it comes to the sale of it, you recuperate them fees in the sale. So there's swings and roundabouts. If you're looking at it from a perspective of what you like the look of, there's no right or wrong answer. I mean, bars are just beautiful. They're almost seen as larger, even though they might weigh the same. But, a bar of gold is almost like, the historic treasure that we know. As well as coins. Coins, you have a coin chest. So, swings and roundabouts. There's no right or wrong answer. There is a myth that coins are easier to sell than bars in dealerships because they're slightly more desirable, again, because they're capital gains tax free. But I would have to say from experience, any reputable dealer or bullion dealer is going to want to buy your bars or your coins just as much as the other. They're going to be looking to make a profit. They've got business to run. They're not going to say, oh my God, you've got coins, so I'm not interested in this bar. No, they're going to go, I want both. They know they've got a market for both. Both are an asset. So I wouldn't get too worried in terms of what is easier to sell. They're both going to sell. There is just a myth that coins are more liquid. So yeah, I hope this video helps, guys. As I say, there's no right or wrong answer. All I could say is I recommend just getting into the precious metals market. If you're nervous, maybe start off by purchasing some silver, as it's going to cost you slightly less, and you can sort of get in the market, see how you feel. You can hold the bars for real, and then maybe when you're feeling a bit more comfortable, you can make larger purchases of gold, such as this 1 gram pump, or you can go even bigger to a 5 gram bar like this. So I hope this video helps, guys, on coins versus bars. If you've got any questions that I've not answered, please leave it in the comment section below. If I don't get to you before, I'm sure someone else in the comment section will help you answer that. I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Thanks for watching as always, and until next time, I'll see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.